Rock Farm.
Oh yeah.
Je m'appelle Iman the Streaking.
Kid of Ghana. Man, you want rich nigga. Yeah, man.
And I'm keeping it clean in the +250.
My nigga.
But I heard you've been waiting for me. Is it true?
I love you, and I've been waiting for you.
What is a microwave?
Probably a wave is a sound which comes from one place to another. So I think a microwave is a small sound which comes from from one place to another.
Madam, are you okay?
Is that your Juliet?
Hell no.
What do you use microwaves for?
I think they are used like in microphones or something else.
So like this microphone uses a microwave?
Yeah, I do think so.
If I don't give me that nonsense, don't let me slap you. Don't let me slap you. Calm down, calm down.
In what instances do you use microwave?
I think they are almost used everywhere because they are our daily life.
Oh Lord.
So even your phone uses a microwave?
Yeah.
Are you sure you are lying?
Am I sure?
You are lying.
I'm lying.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not.
So it's true?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's find out. It's a lie! Let me give you a correction. A microwave is a device which is used to heat food. What is a microwave?
I think a microwave is something that you use to heat up food.
Wow, that's nice.
So what do you normally put in your microwave here?
Bread, like to eat, when the bread is cold, you need to eat it when it is hot, then you put it there.
Okay. So do you put like a beer in your microwave?
No, not really.
You smart.
In your house, where will you find a microwave?
In the kitchen.
Okay.
That's the girl I want to marry. That's she right there.
What is a microwave?
A microwave is an instrument.
This grammar now, wow.
It's used at home for heating a food for eating.
What is a microwave?
Microwave, how I understand the microwave, is a wave of micros.
What?
Is a wave of micros.
Your mother.
What are microbes?
Microbes are little things that you can't see.
Give me vision, God.
You can see it only when you use the micro.
If your brain cannot see and look around, we will help you to see.
Where do you find microwaves?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Seas or the beaches.
Have you seen a microwave before?
No. I have never seen it.
Wow.
Yeah, of course, because as I told you, I'm a traditional dancer. I don't know how the micros are doing or how you see it and what. Yeah, I only know how to dance traditional dance.
Be very careful. End that nonsense.
What is a microwave?
Look at this.
Yeah, no microwave. When my microwave is a scene, no guys, this best one with microwave. Yeah. Yeah, I am love music of Bruce Melody, with Disney or made in there. Yeah.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking too much?
Name 5 artists inside your microwave.
J. Paul, Redderman, Bruce Melody.
What?
You okay?
Lickless. And P-Square. Road Boy.
They are all in your microwave, right?
Yeah.
Jesus is Lord.
You have lost your mind. You have lost your mind. You have lost your mind.
Give me examples of microwave.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Mitsubishi.
Oh.
Galina. Land Rover. Land Cruise.
Batty boy.
Who drives a microwave?
It's driver.
I never spelled it.
Where do you normally find microwaves?
Yes, in the road.
So what do you put inside the microwave for it to work?
Yeah, it's the petrol. Yeah, it's the petrol.
What is a microwave?
Microwaves, I think, is a small fish in the sea.
Hey!
A small fish in the sea.
Yes.
Where will you find microwaves?
You can find in Lake Kivu, Victoria, Lake Mwazi in Rwanda, and so on.
So how many times do you eat microwaves in a week?
In 3 times or 4.
Can you name 5 examples of microwaves for me?
Yes, trapia, sardine, and so on.
Which one is your favorite microwave?
Trapia.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Now, what is a microwave?
Microwave. I hear is the connection, the combination of sounds.
Is this nigga serious?
Give me an example of a microwave.
Microwave. Okay, I see the chip. Microchip. Microphone.
Jesus!
Yeah, and the MTN.
MTN, they are all microwaves.
Yes, yeah.
What is a microwave?
My microwave has let 2 baby.
What?
Let 2 baby.
So how many microwaves do you have?
One kids and 1 wife.
God have mercy upon us.
What is the name of your microwave?
It's Brian.
So you love your microwave, eh?
Yes, I love.
When you were young, you were also a microwave, eh?
Yes.
What is a microwave?
Microwave is a small counted.
Aha.
Who is in charge of this microwave?
President Paul Kagame.
What?
President Paul Kagame.
What is the name of this microwave?
Microwave is Rwanda.
You, Brazil!
Give me 5 examples of microwaves.
Rwanda.
No, God!
Kenya.
No!
Tanzania.
Please, no!
America.
No!
Europe.
No!
What is a microwave?
It's bank.
Huh?
Can you give me examples of microwaves?
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Bank of Kigali. Koje Bank.
You save in the microwave, eh?
Yes.
What is a microwave?
So microwave is the machine that used to be in the cuisine where you can make some food to be a hot, like a meal or like a tea. Yeah, some things like that.
I knew it!
When I come to your house, where will I find the microwave?
Thank you. Very good question.
So you can find my microwave in the cuisine.
What?
In the cuisine?
Yeah.
Are you sure, Emmanuel?
Not in the kitchen, but in the cuisine, eh? What's our current affairs?
It's good because you get a real pattern, and there are some different things you can discuss with your friends or something else, and it's better to discuss it with him.
God have mercy on you, Alice.
Who is he? Can you give a shout out to him for me?
Mention the name.
Yeah, no, give a shout out. Let's say hello. Boo.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Come on, get out from here.
Yeah, what's our current affairs?
Okay, like we understand each other.
What are you talking too much?
Yeah, I get some of the faces from him or he gets mines.
What are you talking too much?
So those are the benefits of current affairs.
Yes.
Hey! What are current affairs?
It reduces stress.
Why are you stressing my life, for Christ's sake?
Current affairs reduce stress.
Yeah.
How?
Thank you for your question.
If you're dating, every day you're calling. Oh! When you are busy, then you are not calling to him. Yeah. It's a big conflict.
This grammar now, wow.
Those stresses of every day, I don't like it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't like stress?
Yeah.
So those are current affairs, eh? Those are the current affairs.
Yeah.
Let me give you a correction, eh? Current affairs relate to like social or political things of social or political interest. Let's say like any news, you know, which is currently trending. That's current affairs. What are current affairs?
Current affairs. The current affairs is when you have two girlfriends.
Do you have a current affair now?
No.
Charlie, you're in front of me, said.
What do you have to say about it? Is it a good thing?
It's not a good thing, I'm telling you, bro.
Really, nigga?
Why is it not a good thing?
You see, when you are just doing lies. I'm telling you, bro.
Hey!
When you have two girlfriends, it's like you are having two jobs and you can't manage it.
Brother, you be serious.
When you have two jobs which have the same time to start. Yeah, that's how I understand.
The things you talk, you have to forget it.
I want you to advise everyone practicing current affairs.
Guys, let me tell you guys, my little advice I can give you to current affairs. Guys or girls, don't you ever do that, because it's not a good thing.
For where?
Never play with the heart of some girls or boys. That's my advice.
Go and sit down.
What are current affairs?
It's about to go down.
Inter Domina, Manchester City, Manchester United, Arsenal, and Real Madrid.
So those are current affairs, eh?
Yes.
What are current affairs?
When you have girlfriend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 10.
How is that even possible?
I don't know.
Is it a good thing, current affairs? Is it good or bad?
Yeah, it's a bad.
Something seriously is missing.
What are current affairs?
Current affairs.
Yes!
When the current go, or no, I haven't a money to buy a current.
Zacchaeus, be careful.
When you don't have money to buy current?
Yes.
So you mean like electricity?
Yes.
Wonderful. Shall never end.
What causes current affairs?
When I buy one kilowatt unit.
When you buy 1 kilowatt unit?
Yes.
You can have a current affair?
Yes.
What occurs when you experience current affairs?
Because darkness.
Your services are hereby terminated with immediate effect. So you take all your belongings in this site and get out of here.
What are current affairs?
Current affairs is someone which we are dating right now.
Amara, you are a big liar.
Who is your current affair now?
Current affairs is his name is Angel.
What?
His name is Angel.
Precious angel of beauty.
Shout out to your current affair, eh?
Yeah.
What are current affairs?
My mother is a brown.
Your mother.
My father is a black.
If I'm your father and I'm disgraced myself in the public, is it okay for you? Hell no.
Can you name 5 examples of current affairs for me?
Congo.
Banana brain.
Ghana.
Banana brain.
Togo.
Banana brain.
And Burundi.
The boy is stupid. I see him. When I see him the first day, I know say a stupid boy.
Give me 5 examples of current affairs.
Okay, policeman, teacher.
You are a foolish boy.
Dancing, soldier.
Don't angry me.
Last one.
Remember one.
Doctor.
I think you have malaria.
What is a wet dream?
Dirimo.
Yeah.
Dirimo Scoro. Yeah.
Is it beer or whiskey?
Whiskey.
It's whiskey.
No, whiskey.
Beer.
No. Whiskey.
It's whiskey.
No, whiskey, no.
Wine?
Got panache.
Panache.
Yeah.
That's a wet dream.
Yeah.